Step into the world of cutting-edge outdoor solutions designed to elevate your adventures. From eco-conscious bathroom kits and portable power stations to innovative camping gear and versatile tools, our lineup embodies sophistication and functionality. Explore the next level of outdoor living with thoughtfully crafted accessories, promising a seamless blend of convenience and reliabilities. Sleepingo Large Sleeping Pad for Camping. Experience ultimate comfort with the Sleepingo Large Sleeping Pad for Camping. Say goodbye to rough nights outdoors as this ultralight pad transforms your sleeping experience. Inflating in just 10 to 13 breaths, it provides a quick and effortless sip. With 2 inches of thickness, it keeps you comfortably above the ground, supporting any sleeping position, even on your side. Crafted with durable and waterproof ripstop nylon, this pad withstands the elements. The air cells contour to your body, ensuring optimal support and comfort. Elevate your next adventure with the Sleepingo Ultralight Sleeping Pad. KingCamp Folding Chaise Lounge Chairs. The KingCamp Folding Chaise Lounge Chairs blend comfort and functionality seamlessly. Designed for ultimate relaxation, these ergonomic loungers strike a perfect balance between firmness and softness. Offering 5 reclining positions, they are versatile for sitting, reclining, or lying down. Built with a sturdy steel frame, they can support up to 264 pounds, ensuring long-lasting durability. The set accommodates individuals up to 6.2 feet tall, providing freedom of movement. The padded, removable pillow serves as a versatile accessory, offering headrest, lumbar support, or extra comfort. Easy to set up and carry, these folding lounge chairs weigh only 14 pounds, making them ideal for various outdoor activities, from camping and trekking to sunbathing at the beach or by the pool. Fire Maple Lava Multi-Fuel Backpacking Stove Kit. The Fire Maple Lava Multi-Fuel Backpacking Stove Kit is an all-in-one solution for outdoor enthusiasts. This kit includes the stove, 500 fuel bottle, pump, gas cartridge bracket, tool repair kit, and super pouch. With dual fuel capability and multiple jet nipples for various fuels, it offers flexibility. Boasting up to 10,239 BTUs, it quickly boils water. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Ideal for quick food prep in extreme conditions. Simmering capability allows delicate cooking. Weighing 0.01 grams and measuring 135 x 62 x 960 millimeters, folded, it's compact. Constructed with stainless steel and aluminum, it's durable for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The Nutter All-in-One Bike Tool. The Nutter All-in-One Bike Tool is the ultimate solution for cyclists in need of a fully functional and compact toolkit for on-the-go repairs. Crafted for convenience, it combines essential bike tools in a unique design that transforms into a handle, offering superior leverage. Equipped for road or trailside repairs, it features a T25 Torx, Phillips, flathead screwdrivers, a 15mm box head spanner, spoke key, nylon tire lever with a stainless steel core, bottle opener, and 8 interchangeable bits, with extension for adjusting 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8mm hex bolts. Encased in a durable leather and recycled inner tubes pouch, the Nutter ensures secure and snug tool storage. Weighing only 240 grams, it's light enough for camping, tracks, long rides, or races, providing a hassle-free experience with its magnetized bit socket. This versatile portable bike tool set is a must-have for cyclists. The Splitter Titanium Tongs. The Splitter Titanium Tongs redefine outdoor cooking with premium quality, versatility, and portability. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, these utensils are light, durable, and corrosion-resistant, outperforming traditional stainless steel. The set includes a spatula and a long metal spork that ingeniously join to become tongs, offering a polished, metallic, flavor-free cooking experience. With 4 functions in one, the Splitter is the ultimate tool for camping, BBQ grilling, and indoor/outdoor cooking. Portable and responsible, it replaces disposable plastic utensils, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. Sturdy durability is guaranteed by the titanium construction, making this professional camping cooking set a reliable companion for any culinary endeavor. 18Tech Holiday Decoration Sports Tent. Crafted for outdoor enthusiasts, the 18Tech Sports Tent provides a portable sanctuary with a robust fiberglass frame and weather-resistant fabric. This pop-up tent is quick to set up, accommodating 2 people while weighing just 9 pounds. Its patented design allows easy folding and storage, ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. User-friendly features include hooks, clear windows, UPF 50 plus UV protection, and excellent ventilation. The all-weather PE floor and double-sided zipper enhance security for various outdoor adventures. With 24/7 online customer service, the 18Tech Sports Tent ensures constant support for your camping needs. GoSun Camp 365. The GoSun Camp 365 is a versatile camper towable by virtually any car, including electric vehicles. Streamlined and lightweight, it serves as the ultimate solar-powered off-grid RV, liberating you from shore power and crowded campgrounds. In just 5 minutes, it transforms into an off-grid cabin with indoor and outdoor living areas, equipped with essential appliances, cooking facilities, refrigeration, off-grid power, kitchen sink, and a hot shower. Crafted with durability in mind, the all-aluminum frame eliminates worries about mold, rust, rot, and decay. With a compact design and off-grid capabilities, Camp 365 offers freedom and convenience for year-round camping. Wuben E7 Rechargeable Headlamp. The Wuben E7 Rechargeable Headlamp stands out with 1800 lumens and a 175 degrees ultra-wide-angle floodlight, ensuring exceptional visibility. Its contemporary design combines style with functionality. The headlamp offers 6 modes, including Super Bright, Strobe, and SOS, accessible through a user-friendly switch with a memory function. Crafted with durability in mind, it features an IP68 waterproof design and aircraft-grade aluminum alloy construction. The 1,100 mAh rechargeable battery charges in just 1.5 hours, with red and blue battery indicator lights. This multifunctional EDC flashlight includes a strong magnet, hugging clip, and the option to convert it into a headlamp, providing versatility for various situations. It supports gesture remote sensor control for added simplicity and practicality. Nebula Capsule 3. Weighing just 2 pounds, the Nebula Capsule 3 redefines portable entertainment with its laser projector delivering 300 ANSI lumens in stunning 1080 PHD. It stands out with a 90% smaller design than comparable projectors, making it perfect for on-the-go presentations or movie nights. The 52W battery ensures 2.5 hours of continuous play, complemented by efficient power use through CIC technology. With Android TV 11.0, Google Assistant, Chromecast compatibility, and dual 8W Dolby digital speakers, the Capsule 3 creates a visual and sonic delight, transforming any space into a personal entertainment hub. As we conclude this exploration of top-tier outdoor innovations, we invite you to embark on your next adventure equipped with the best in eco-conscious solutions, portable power, comfortable camping gear, and versatile tools. Trust in the reliability and sophistication of these gadgets to enhance every aspect of your outdoor experience. Happy exploring!